Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to be doing Suratul Ghashiyah, ayah number 21 to 26, and inshallah today I'll complete the surah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayah number 21 says, "Fazakir innama anta muzakkir," and it means that so continue to remind them, O Prophet, for your duty is only to remind. Fazakir means so remind, muzakkir means a reminder. So the duty of the Prophet ﷺ is only to remind the people with the Quran, and the guidance only comes from Allah. He cannot give guidance to anyone. Then the next ayah is Lasta alayhim bimusaitir, and it means that you are not there to compel them to believe. Lasta means you are not, and bimusaitir means a controller. So you are not, the Prophet is being told that you cannot compel them to believe. Your only job is to remind the people with the Quran, and the rest is, if there is good in the heart of those people, then Allah will guide them. Illa man tawalla wa kafar, and it means but whoever turns away persisting in disbelief. Tawalla means like turns away. So the person who turns away and does not want to believe, even though he knows that it's the truth. Illa man tawalla wa kafar fayu'azzibuhu Allahu al-azab al-akbar, and it means then Allah will inflict upon them major punishment. Azabul akbar. Fayu'azzibuhu means then will punish him. So Allah will punish those people who are like Abu Jahal, like those people who were actually persistent in their kufr even though they knew the truth. So for such people whose arrogance comes in their way, for them there is Azabul akbar and Azab al-Akbar. And then the next ayah is Inna ilayna iyabahum. It means that surely to us is their return. So where are they, even though whatever things they do on this earth, where are they going to run away? Iyabahum will be their return. So finally they are going to return back to Allah. And then the last ayah of this surah, which is Summa inna alayna hisabahum, and it means and surely with us is their reckoning. Hisabahum means account, that Allah will take their hisab. He will they will be, all their actions are going to be taken into account, and judgment is going to be passed for all of us on Judgment Day. And these surahs of the 30th para are a big reminder of Judgment Day and heaven and hell for all of us to ponder upon. So with this, alhamdulillah, Suratul Ghashiyah is completed. A very beautiful, very beautiful surah, and it's a must memorize surah, so that we can read it in our namaz. Inshallah on Monday I'm going to be starting Surah Al-Fajr. I love this surah, and especially the last ayah, Ya ayyatuhan nafsul mutmainna. This ayah is just so beautiful. Okay, so with this I'm going to conclude today's video. Inshallah I'll see you on Monday. Fi amanallah.